the conjunctions and, which in Spanish is y, and the conjunction or, which is o in Spanish, can change. I know. I know. Why can't and just be and or just be or? But hey, it wouldn't be language if everything stayed the same. So the conjunction and can change from e to a. And the conjunction or o can change to oo. Now when can this happen? Well, we will change from e to a when it falls before words that start with e or e, but not ea. Okay, so let's look at a few examples. We could say, so they are grand and interesting. And so normally we would just write and, but the next word starts with an I, and because that happens, we have to change this to an E. So we would read, son grandes e interesantes. Let's look at another example. We need thread and needle. Alright, so normally to say and, we would put in a and, right? Just like we've always learned. But this next word starts with HI, and so if it starts with HI, that falls in one of our rules, then we are going to change it to an A. So necesitamos tela e hilo. The only exception is that HIE, we don't have to make the change. Okay, so let's look at or. So the O will change to a U, so O cambia a U, before words that start with O or O. So we could say, let's make a question. Do you want 7 or 8? Well, normally we would put in or, but because the next word starts with an O, we can't. So it'll change from an O to a U. So, ¿quieres 7 u 8? Let's try another one. So let's try another one. Let's say you're looking at a building and you can't figure out if it's a house or a hotel. If you can't figure that, we probably have bigger troubles than just figuring out this in Spanish, but that's okay. It serves my example for here and today. And you might say, is it a house or a hotel? And normally we would say or, but because this one starts with H-O, then we have to change it from O to U. Es casa u hotel. Okay, and, or, E, O, but sometimes they change, A, U. Practice. Let me know how it goes. Suerte.